Karen Nyamu nĩatigĩte aingĩ megegeire na agĩtuthũra a very heated debate amongst her fans and followers nĩ post arĩkĩtie kũrekereria kũgerera nenda yake ya ũkinyanĩria. Post ĩrĩa aingĩ makorwo makĩmĩrelate to the situation between Samido and his two wives Karen Nyamu and Eddie. Na today also happens to be Eddie Nderito's birthday na Eddie nĩakorirwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ yake na gũshare ndũmĩrĩri ya mũtiga agĩkenerwo mũno nĩ mafans mũno mbica ĩrĩa akorirwo akĩrekereria alongside this post. Eddie ona akĩaremetwo kũgitha gĩkeno gĩake as she marks another year of her life. Just recently she celebrated gũkorwo akinyĩtie mwaka ũmwe USA na rĩu today she marks another year of her life. Eddie akiuga, today marks another year of life, love and adventure. I'm grateful for the memories, the lessons and the incredible people who have enriched my journey so far. Here's to another year of growth, laughter and making more amazing memories. May my day be filled with joy, love and all my favorite things. I'm excited to celebrate and make this year even more incredible. Hashtag birthday girl, hashtag nothing but prayers, hashtag power of prayers, hashtag answered prayers, hashtag faith over fear, hashtag grateful. Na mbica ĩno arĩyo ĩtigĩte mafans ake ona nginya fellow Kikuyu celebrities othe a Baby Top, aingĩ mũno a Kezia wa Kariuki, a Sarafina de Mathew, aingĩ mũno makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno magĩkũngũĩra Eddie on her big day and wishing her a happy year ahead as she turns a year older. Na ona ithuĩ a happy birthday to Eddie Nderito. No oho Karen nĩacoka kũgegia aingĩ mũno after a post she had shared on her social media gũkorwo ĩgĩtrend mũno nenda-inĩ. Karen agĩkiuga it is debate time na no ende gũkorwo agĩpose this question to her fans agĩkĩũria rĩrĩa mũndũrũme aradeal na atumia erĩ, but to one of the women he is not truthful, he lies to her, but to the other woman he is completely honest with her. Na Karen agakiuria which woman does that man love. Ĩno arĩyo post Karen arekereirie and of course Kenyans and the fans makĩmũcokeria au magĩkiuga that kind of man does not love either of those women but instead he loves himself. No angĩ magĩkiuga he loves the woman that he is honest with. Na kũrĩ ũcio that he is not honest with, then that is not love tondũ once a man is not honest with you, then how can he say that he loves you? No angĩ nĩmatigwo makĩyũria mũno, does this have anything to do with the situation between Samido and Eddie Nderito and Karen Nyamu? No magĩtigwo makĩyũria between Karen Nyamu na Eddie Nderito, who is being told the truth na who is being lied to. Arĩo matigwo magĩkĩyũria trying to match this question from Karen Nyamu to the exact situation ya Samido and his two wives.